Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on Spanish Town Road, and the government announced recently that they're going to be redesigning and re-engineering this road because one, they want to help with the flow of traffic, and two, this is one of the main routes into the city of Kingston. And they're saying when you look on the right, you see some sort of chemical company. On the roadside, there are a lot of garages. Basically, along the corridor, there are a lot of business places on the road that are not supposed to be there. So they want to give the road, the area, the corridor, an upgrade, basically, a redesign, so that you look like you're driving into a major city. Because they commented directly on the garages. There are a lot of illegal garages, but there are a lot of illegal business places operating literally on the main road that are not supposed to be there. So there on the right, you can see some more. So the government is going to redesign and re-engineer this road. Also, Washington Boulevard is another road that they announced they were going to redesign and re-engineer. No specifics were given as to how much it was going to cost or what the specific plan was. They only mentioned the garages and the other business places that are not supposed to be operating at those locations. And the government has actually started to remove some of these garages. So when you drive on this road, you do not get the impression that you're entering the largest city in Jamaica and also the capital of Jamaica. On the right is the J. Ray and Nephew facility. That's where they make the J. Ray and Nephew white overproof rum. Very popular rum in Jamaica. So that's their facility on the right. At this intersection coming up now, if you turn right, you go into the Seaview Gardens area. Now, separate from the redesign and re-engineering of this road is supposed to be rehabilitated, but it's taking forever, and not sure why, but it's a local contractor that's doing it, not China Harbour Engineering Company. So maybe that has something to do with it. The road project, it's two projects. One is a lane of pipes, which is a local contractor, and the second project is to pave over the road, which is also a local contractor. So one thing I've noticed is when local contractors do the work, it's always delayed, never finishes on time. And the Junction Main Road is a prime example of that. When China Harbour Engineering Company does the job, it finishes much quicker. Okay, on the left now is a Toyota dealership, and on the right is a Red Stripe 214 Exchange. straight ahead is the 3 miles overpass. It's the only double overpass in Jamaica. The top overpass is Hagley Park Road and the lower overpass is Spanish Town Road. And this overpass is built over the busiest intersection in Jamaica, and that's the intersection of Spanish Town Road and Hagley Park Road. If we were to go straight, we take the Spanish Town Road overpass and continue on to Spanish Town. It runs all the way to downtown Kingston, but we're going to exit here and go to the original intersection and go on to Marcus Garvey Drive. So if we turn left here, we take Hagley Park Road up to Halfway Tree. We turn right, we're going to go on to Marcus Garvey Drive. Well, we take Hagley Park Road to Marcus Garvey Drive. And if we had gone straight, we would have stayed on Spanish Town Road and head towards downtown Kingston. So this is a very nice view of below the overpass, underneath the overpass. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and leave your comments in the section below. We're always happy to get the feedback. Alright guys, have a good day.